Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you can see this product. It's a very unusual product for the European market because not many people buy this. They usually go for the either Amazon Stick or the Google Chrome. Obviously you can't get the Google Chrome on Amazon. You can get this on Amazon, but obviously you'll see the link down below. What I'm going to do with this on this video is just to unbox it, and I'm going to connect it to the TV and see what happens, how I'm going to set it up and so on. So please stay to the end. Okay, like I said in the intro before this, I'm going to open the box, do a little bit of unboxing, a little bit of a review of it, and now I'm going to do a setup of it. So let's go ahead with it. So let's just open this. So it's a normal box, it's like a pencil case, a box that you usually put pencils for the kids that they go to school, and this is what you get. So let's just we've got the unit itself, so let's just put this on the side. Let's just see what we got in here first. So remove that. So what we get is we get the cable. It's just a normal USB cable for charging, I believe, or data transfer, or whatever it is. Then we have the actual adapter. Yes, this is the American adapter. It's no good in Europe. So what you can use an adapter which is similar to the amps here. It will tell you down the bottom. So you need to find one of these phone chargers. It's a 5-volt 1 amp. So a normal charger that you use for the Apple or the Android phones that you have. Not the fast charger, the normal charger. There you are. So that's that. So let's put that on the side. We have, let's see what else we have. Okay, nothing much. That's the box. Let's just put that on the side. Okay, you have the instructions here. Shall I say? Get started with these steps. That's what it looks like. So let's just put that on the side as well. Let's open the remote control. Or shall we take it out the little bag, which is nicely packed, which I like, which is good. Well done for protection. And getting it out is a bit of a faff. Now then it's protected with another layer of protection, which is a little bit more difficult. But it's good to have everything like this because it needs to be. Yeah, but obviously, there you are. So, it's quite nice actually. It's a shape of a peanut. Yeah, don't you think so? This is a little bit rubbery, which is quite good, nice for your fingers, for your thumb. All the actual buttons look like a little bit rubbery. You have the Google Assistant, and you have the Netflix button. That's all you have on there. So let's have a look. There you are. That's what you get with the batteries. What you need to put in, where you just, there you are, just slide it and slide it back in again. Simple enough. Then you get the batteries here, and let's just go. Let's just put this here. It tells you what you will get, and let's just open this. Yeah, so you can see it a little bit better. There you are. I think this is about 1.5 meter or 1 meter, something like that. There you are. You have that, and let's just open the main. Get this out of the actual plastic. There you are. Let's just take this off also. It's nice. This looks like when you go over it, it's like rubber, but it's not. It's nice and shiny. The design, I like it. It's a square, like a little box of matches. That's how big it is. And there you are. I don't know if you can see the actual There you are. There, I just zoomed it in a little bit so you can see the connection. And there you are. That's like that. Take that off. You have the HDMI, the standard HDMI, and so on. And here you connect the actual 5-volt DC, which is this and that. Yeah. Here you can put an additional USB stick. It's the USB-C for more memory. The only problem I have is when you plug it in the back, it's going to hang like that. Yeah. So I don't know if that's going to come out from the HDMI or not. But we will see. I will show you that. And you have a little button here. Maybe that's a reset button. And so on. And here at the back it will tell you, yeah, Tivo Stream. It tells you everything there, if you're interested in this. So there you are. So that is what you get in the box. But this in Europe is no good. We don't use this kind of. This it says in Europe, it says 100. They use in America, in the States, 110 volts. But here you got input from 100 to 240. But you still, if you have an adapter from the American to the European one, you can plug that in and use that. But I think you're better off by getting one of these ones from the telephones, mobile phones. Okay, so there you are. So here we are. This is the main page of the Tivo Stream units that you've plugged into your television, but I've plugged into my computer via capture card, so I will be able to explain and describe how this is all done. Obviously, if any error messages come along, then you will know. So here is the remote control. So we're just going to follow and get the remote control to detect, or vice versa, to the Tivo Stream box. So let's just follow the on-screen instructions. So we hold the back button and the Tivo button simultaneously until the red button turns on at the top of the actual remote control. You will see. Hold it there for like 10 seconds. I'll just hold it 10 seconds. It's alright. And then when that is done, you just remove both of your fingers from the remote control. The orange light will start flickering there, you can see, and that hopefully if we hit this button, there you are, that is recognized it. So there you are. So let's just go further on now. So let's just hit the English United Kingdom, because that is my language. I'm not going to go on that one. Quick setup for your TV with Android phone. That's a complete something else. I'll skip that one. Then it'll ask you for your, obviously for your router, your Wi-Fi password. If you already done that, you'll go there. I'll just have to continue on there. Now it will start updating the firmware. This should not take long, or it might do take long depending on the speed of your internet at home. So I'm just going to speed this up and we'll just go on to the next one as soon as this is finished. See, now the process is being updated and it's restarting the actual unit now, and as soon as that comes up, then hopefully we will get everything on the screen for you to show. There you are, the actual nice Tivo logo, and it's happy moving around and so on. So there you are, you have the sign of the Google Assistant. Those are the little dots and colors, beautiful colors, that it's giving a sign that it's starting the actual Tivo Stream unit. So as soon as that is up and working, we can go ahead and see what next there is. So there you are, this beautiful unit is connecting once more, restarting again. It takes like a few times to restart this. Apparently this is say a few times, this is the second time it's just restarting, and this is what the procedure is like. It does take a little bit longer than a normal Amazon stick. I'm comparing it to that because it's most popular than, say, this one, maybe. I don't know. Maybe you have a different opinion. Please leave a message down below. So there you are. It's connecting automatically to the internet. But it does take a little while for it to appear. There you are. So what you need to do when you reach this stage, I think more or less it's done. We just need to get the remote control, and what we need to do is see now, because it's restart, we just need to go and just make sure that this is working okay. So we'll just skip that. We will accept the terms and conditions. Nah, we don't want to give them a location. You can do this yes or no. It's up to you what you want to do. Is now powered by Android TV. So let's just move on using the actual arrow there. Keep going and see what happens. There you are. Now what we just need to do is enter the following activation code on your telephone. Okay, in the previous clip of my video you saw the activation code, and obviously you saw the URL where you need to write that down or input it into a web page. So if you have done that, you will come up to this web page. Here is the URL. In here you just put in the activation code. And then down underneath that you have to put the capture code, which is this one in the box here, and just click or select the I understand and agree, obviously, and activate it. So as soon as you've done that, you'll come to a different web page. We'll ask you for your name, your surname, your address, zip code in the US. If you're in the US, you shouldn't have a problem, but if you're in Europe like me, then there's another way of doing it. So what I've done, I just did a research of random US addresses, and I came up to this website, random US address generator. These are all made up addresses, so you can use them. It worked fine with me. Obviously after that it'll ask you for your email. You don't want to put your email. I didn't. So what I did is I went to the temporary email generator or temporary email address setup, whatever you want to call it. I just refreshed the link, an email will just pop up. You just use that one, register it. You can come back to here and find it if it's in the subject, just to confirm the activation, and everything is working just fine. So any questions, just put it underneath the video and I'll see if I can answer anything or help you with this. So okay, since you have activated the device following the link, you will get this page now. It says welcome to Tivo Stream 4K, get the 3 simple steps, personalize this, and so on and so on and so on. So what we're just going to do, we're just going to go continue, and there you are. I mean, what can I say? So we just backspace and see what happens. Next pair. Let's see what happens in here. Okay, let's personalize. True Detective, Modern Family, The Office, Titanic, Big Bang Theory. I don't know. We just keep going and going. Sopranos. This is Us, and let's just go finish personalizing. That's just, and there you are. So let's just go to next. Then we go to next, and there you are, finished with TV shows. And let's just go to finish. I believe that's how it press the TiVo button to start your TiVo. Okay, there's the remote, and let's just press that. So we're scanning for devices. I don't know if it's scanning for something else, but it's scanning the devices, and let's just hang on and see what happens to them. I'll come back to you with that. So okay, scanned, and it's set up a remote control. It says connecting TV remote with your TV allows. We'll skip that because it's not connected to my television, it's connected via my capture card, and there you are, away you go. So everybody's happy, and this is what it looks like. So I've showed you how it's all set up. For you now, it's only to go ahead and play around with it and see how you get on. I hope you enjoy this video. So don't forget to like the video, don't forget to obviously subscribe and hit the notification bell for more unusual uploads. Thank you for watching.